back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, I'd be, just keeping it straight up with you guys, I'd be a lying buffoon, or is it baboon? I don't know, baboon? I'm pretty sure it's a monkey. If I told you that this video has any premise that you might dig. However, I wasn't gonna film anyway, boys. Now, I'll tell you, I've been waiting all day for my grandpa to get discharged from the hospital so I can go bring him some dinner, because today is actually 7 years since my dad passed away. And this is usually a day I sit and reflect and da-da-da-da-da. Gotta do the same today. Spend some time with my grandpa. However, I gotta pick him up in a second. This is gonna be really lightly edited. I started looking at my phone today, you know, getting a lot of nice wishes from my friends and stuff like that. Then I went on to Instagram and I saw a bunch of you guys wishing me like a good day today. You know, knowing what's happened 7 years ago. It blew my mind that you guys like remember / care. And I was like, how do I show them that I love them for this? And easiest is just turning on the camera and saying thank you guys so much, bro. This wasn't expected, so thank you guys. This is something I really want to work on, and I've been working on, is showing my appreciation and saying my appreciation when I feel it, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm doing right now. Today is not a sad day for me. Like I say, it's a day of reflection. I know 7 years ago, I wouldn't think that I was where I would be mentally right now, if that makes sense. I didn't think I would even really survive, to be honest. You know, dad passed, grinded on YouTube, felt a little bit of quote unquote YouTube fame, got a lot of money at a young age through doing that, and all with dad passing, you know what I mean? It's easy to get into the bad things, you know, the drinks and the drugs. I was never really bad with those, but the drinks and stuff like that. Today is a nice day, is what I'm saying, of reflecting where I've come, how I've handled all this stuff, where I am now, and remembering my pops. You know what I mean? So it's nice to share that with you guys today. I guess I could give away like a $25 Amazon gift card, because I'm just like feeling so much love from you guys right now. I could maybe find out how to do that. I think you can buy one online or something. Maybe somebody will get one down below. I'll update you guys. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Just wanted to come definitely on what should be a really hard day. You guys coming in right now and showing me love just meant so much. So I love you guys. My camera's dying. I gotta post this up and go get my grandpa some dinner. Love you. Bye.